everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be scrapbooking these 3 photos of my cats. Obviously this is an older photo because my cat on the left in that top photo, which is Lucy, my female cat, is no longer with us. I had to have her put to sleep in January, so this was kind of a bittersweet layout for me to do here. So I am scrapbooking a layout kind of based on a sketch from Creative Memories that I put in at the beginning and I'll put in again at the end. And really I used it for 2 of the paper layers and then the kind of like border at the bottom. So that's kind of what I did, and like how the photos are arranged here. And you'll just see that I'll include it. It was just something that they did. They had an online crop, and I saved the sketch because I liked it because it was something a little bit different and a different way to arrange 3 photos. So to start out with, I'm going to use that very busy bug paper. It's the Bella Boulevard Bug Explorer collection, and it's the Wiggle Wiggle paper. And I'll mount that on that green, the green gingham paper. I couldn't think of the word for gingham. And that's the Doodlebug Petite Prints in Limeade Gingham Linen, and it's a really good match to the green in some of those bugs. And the reason I'm doing that bug paper is because this is a treat puzzle, so the cats have to figure out how to move those little red things which have treats underneath them, and actually I think you can see a treat in some of the photos. Anyway, it's called like the Ladybug Puzzle or something. You can get them on Amazon if you're interested. Lucy was very good at it. And she also crowded Linus out, so he just sort of gave up after a while. But anyway, so that's kind of the story behind this. I thought it was super cute. I am going to, I forgot to tell you, I matted the photos on that aqua paper, which is the Doodlebug Petite Print Swimming Pool Gingham Linen, and that's the linen side of the gingham linen. And then I've got that striped paper from Bella Boulevard Family Forever. It's the family photo paper, and that just kind of brings all the colors together. I think it's got pink in it that's not in the background paper, but I don't think that matters. I think it's a really nice way to bring the colors together. And I really like just the way the photos on the left, that block stretches all the way down. And then now I'm going to do different things than what they did after this. And I'm trying to decide what I'm going to journal on. So I'm playing around with a couple of tags there. I do decide on that aqua tag from the Chamel Never Grow Up ephemera pack. And then I'm so psyched because I got to use that Here for the Snacks die cut, which is from Chamel Field Trip, and that's the ephemera from that. And I'm like, when am I ever going to use that? And I've got a trip to Disney planned later this year, and I was thinking I might have to use it on that because I couldn't imagine. And then I realized it was perfect for this. I remembered that Here for the Snacks piece. So that was awesome. Anyway, and then I'm adding in that ladybug sticker there. That's the red banner sticker from the Bella Boulevard sticky mix from the Bug Explorer cardstock stickers. And then that Watch How He Moves is also a sticker from that. And so is that cute little ladybug sticker there. The label there is a label from Ellie Studio. It's label stickers. They do one of these kind of every month, not every month necessarily, but something close to it. So I'm just playing with some of the different sizes. I love these things because, they're more expensive than the cut apart labels, but they are kind of nice to have because they're easy. And I'm looking up right now as I'm talking to you, and one of my label boxes is not snapped shut, and I don't want them falling everywhere. So if you heard noise, that's what I was doing anyway, because I keep the cut apart labels in a different spot. And I'm going to struggle a little bit here with how I'm going to place these circles because I didn't like the Here for the Snacks circle and the Ladybug circle on the same side. So I'm playing around a little bit here and there with this. It doesn't take me, well, when it's sped up, it doesn't take me so long. Because I think this is like at 3 times speed or something like that, if I remember correctly. Anyway, So now I kind of have those done. I'm making a little cluster here with these 3 elements. I like that pop of red there. I love that it says ladybug. I think that's awesome. And so then I'll put that down kind of and let that float in that upper quadrant there. And the ladybug sticker, and I think that just makes you see the ladybugs in the photos. And then here's a little sticker from that same sticker sheet that says specimen, which made me laugh. These are the puffy stickers from the Chanel Never Grow Up puffy sticker collection. And there's a ladybug, which I put on the top of that tag. And then I just used 2 ants because they were red and bugs. I mean, I obviously have a bug theme going here, even though I had used all the other ladybugs up. And then I have this green label or green phrase sticker from that Bug Explorer sticker sheet, and it says I've got one. That was too good not to use, and I had already gone through most of my what I wanted to put in the cluster, so I just put it on the bottom, and I think that works great. And it's just too good because it's, you know, it's funny because they're, you know, getting them. That twine came from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby's brand. And then I'm playing around. I want some you know, a little bit of a different texture here. So of course I'm going to add enamel dots. So I add a heart to each of the clusters and then an enamel dot as well too. Those are 2 enamel dots, I should say. Those are from Altenew, and it's the Tea Party mix that is. So I love the way this layout came in. Like I said, it was bittersweet because Lucy is no longer with me. Linus still is, but she is not, you know, which is kind of sad, but it's also nice to be able to scrap photographs of her here. And this was taken in October, a couple weeks after she first got sick. Later, you know, more towards the end of the year, she definitely changes her look. Anyway, hope you are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.